Hey, I'm Sam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basketball illustration using Figma. Okay, so now that we're in Figma, the first thing I'm going to do is create a frame to serve as the canvas for my illustration. I'm going to hit F on my keyboard, hold Shift, and drag that out. And I'm going to go ahead and make this 800 pixels so we have an even number to work with. And since we're drawing a basketball, the perspective really changes the way you're going to draw this. So I would suggest finding a reference image ahead already and found one on Google that I'd like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, paste it into my Figma file, make it a little bit bigger so it fills the frame, and then I'm going to lock it so that I'm not moving it as I'm designing. I'm going to select that layer as well and then bring down the opacity to 30% just so it's not blocking any of the details that I need to see. I'm going to start with a circle by pressing O on the keyboard and dragging that out. I'm going to add a stroke to this just so I can see the details underneath. Next thing we're going to do is draw the lines going across the basketball. So I'm going to start with the one in the center with 2 points and go ahead and drag that out like that. The one on the right, this one's probably going to need 3 points, so I'm going to start there, drag it out right there, and then place a point at the edge, and then drag it out like that. And you can adjust these curves as needed, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. Then I'm going to work on the one on the left. This is also probably going to be 3 points, so just like that. And then I'm going to have this just exceed out of the circle shape, because we'll fix that later with a mask. And then the one horizontally, I'm going to do this. And drag it out like that. Again, it's a little crazy, but the mask will remove all the things that we're seeing go outside of the shape. Alright, so now we're going to create the mask. To do that, we're going to go ahead and fill this with an orange color, remove the stroke, and then make a copy by hitting Command-C, Command-V. We're also going to group all our line layers so that we can use that to mask all of them. So we're going to select the lines and the circle we just copied and hit mask on the top of the Figma file. And just like that, all the lines are gone. So now we could just make tiny adjustments to the points so that all of the edges go off to the side like this. And there we go. You basically have a basketball already. So of course we're going to give it a little flare, and to do that we're going to add a shadow to the outer side of the basketball. So to do that we're going to use another mask. So I'm going to create a copy, 2 copies actually, Command-C, Command-V, Command-C, Command-V. And then I'm going to make the last circle shape a very dark orange color, and we won't see that till we use the masks. I'm going to grab the top circle, drag that over to the side a little bit, and then select the one in the center and create a mask. So now we're able to see the darker orange underneath. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger and just move the circle out of the frame a little bit. So yeah, you can stop there or add more details by adding circles all around the basketball, just like you would typically expect on a real one. Yeah, just like that. The basketball is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you'd like to see me draw, please include it in the comments and subscribe for more. Bye!